Hey YouTube, it's Fix It with Biscuit here, and we're back here with the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda and the salt. So what we got here is we got just the vinegar. It's looking pretty dark. We got the apple cider vinegar with the baking soda. It doesn't look like it's done really anything. We got the vinegar and the salt. So, it's been 17 hours. So, I mean, not 24, not the 48, not the 12, but 17. So, that's fine. We're going to go ahead and check and see what one's done what. And I'm just going to pick them up at first and rub them off with a rag a little bit and see what happens there. And then we'll hit them with the wire brush a little bit to see. Well, this is the regular vinegar one. And get closer to it and see that it's, yeah, you know, it's looks cleaner. I'm not sure what we're going to expect from it really. And I'm just going to rub it with my glove a little bit and then dip it back into the solution. And you can see, I'm starting to see just with that, with the rubber glove, and these rubber gloves, you know, everybody knows a rubber glove isn't that strong. You can already see new looking metal through there. That is, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead and let's hit it with the wire brush, I guess, and we'll do it on the other side where I wasn't rubbing with the glove. And I'm not scrubbing really hard. You know, just back and forth a little bit. Oh yeah. For, you know, I have no clue how old these spikes actually are. They've, I got these at a friend of mine's house that he got, and they were on the property. We didn't pull them from a railroad track or anything like that. They were already on this property. So you can see, that it's nice and shiny there. Okay, let's move on to the vinegar and baking soda. I don't have too much. It actually looks like it rusted worse. And stuff's not really coming off. And I'm rubbing pretty freaking hard. That's one thing I was thinking is, yeah, you can see there that it's really not doing anything. Let's try the wire brush on the other side. Alrighty guys, so nah, that's not very good. Alrighty, let's do the salt and see what happens with it. I'll be amazed if this works better than any of them because it's got salt, but you never know. And it did look like the salt actually. Wow, that actually might have. Oh, I ripped my glove open. Way to go there, buddy. The salt, I think, might take the cake. I'm not sure yet. You can see it looks pretty clean. Let's scrub the other side here. I think salt's the clear winner. It is so weird. Look at that. That is almost completely clean all the way down the side. Let's do the back side just to make sure that it's not just that one side that's super clean for some reason. Well, excuse me. Alright guys, so what we got here is the lineup. Baking soda and vinegar, no, it does not work. It is pointless. I think it's because the baking soda neutralizes the acidity part in it. I believe that's probably what it is, or something like that. I mean, it did horrible job. It actually looks rustier than when we stuck it in there in spots. I would not go with that. The regular baking soda and water, it's working. I mean, let's give it one more scrub on this other side. I think, I think it deserves a little bit. Other side. Clear winner, hands down. Salt. Hands down, the salt and apple cider vinegar. I would have never have guessed that. I would have thought, yeah, right, not gonna happen. It's gonna rust more. I mean, if you're just doing, and this was only 17 hours, like I said. Sure, probably longer. They'd probably work the same or whatever, but this is cutting the time down quite a bit. So I'm thinking, yeah, I'm shocked. Salt is, it works. Not much to say more than that, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.